boys and girls. So today, this looks a little difficult, but you're going to be able to do it. It's not going to be as hard as you think it is. And remember, we just have to try. So the first thing we're going to do is find the missing part of our 10 friend or friendly 10. So what is the 10 friend for 6? The 10 friend is 4. So please write 4 there. Now what's the 10 friend for 8? 2. Good. And what is the 10 friend for 3? It is 7. What is the 10 friend for 9? 1. The 10 friend for 5 is 5. Good. And the 10 friend for 4 is what? It's 6. Very good. Now we just need to make the fact family using these add-ins and the sum. So when we have the addition problem, the biggest number or the whole is going to go on this side of the equal sign. When we have a subtraction problem or difference, the 10 is going to go on this side. So you can just go ahead and do that for all of these problems because all of them have the same sum and the same difference. So we're just filling in the 10s and we're getting everything set up so that the rest of our problems are super easy. And you're going to find that it's not as hard as you thought it was going to be. Okay, so I have all of my 10s. And if you need to push pause to finish, that's just fine. I know I talk fast sometimes. So now we need to go back to each of the number bonds and put the parts on the fact family where they belong. So remember, you can't have the numbers the same on each line. You have to flip-flop them. So we'll put 6 and 4, 4 and 6. 6 and 4, 4 and 6. All you have to do is flip-flop them for each addition problem and each subtraction problem. So 2 and 8, and then what's going to go first on the next one? Yeah, 8 and then 2. Very good. So we're going to do the same thing here. 8 and 2, 2 and 8. Now we have our add-ins are 7 and 3. So 7 and 3, 3 and 7. 7 and 3, 3 and 7. Good. So we have 3 more problems left. I'm going to do one more with you, and then I want you to do the last 2 by yourself. But the ones with the 5 is easy because it's all just 5s. There's nothing different. So that's pretty simple. Okay, 1, 9. Now flip it. 9 and 1. Okay, so do the same thing again. 1 and 9, and then flip it. 9 and 1. Okay, so push pause and do the last 2 problems, and then we'll talk about the other side. So this side for the number bonds, it says to cut it, but we're not going to cut the numbers on the side. We're just going to write the 10 friend, and you guys already know this. Even though the number bonds are going in different directions, you know all of the 10 friends. So what is 9's 10 friend? It's 1. What's 5's 10 friend? Well, we just saw that on the other side, didn't we? It's 5. 3's 10 friend is 7. Oh, look, and this is 7's 10 friend is what? Yeah, it's 3 because we just saw that. 8's 10 friend is 2, and 1's 10 friend is 9. So I know that you can do the rest of these on your own. You don't need this at all because we're not cutting it. We're just writing the answers on the number bond. You did great today. Even though these are really hard problems, you did awesome. So when you're finished, raise your hand so your teacher can check it, and then you can do what it is that you're supposed to do next.